Okay. Today our class topic is a range of data set for specific analysis. How we arrange a data set for a specific analysis? It is a very common question and very important question when you want to perform or want to do analysis of your research work, thesis, or article. The answer of this question is that R provide you lot of format or data set. As format. So if you want to form ANOVA, if you want to calculate ANOVA, for example, if you want to calculate one-way ANOVA, the first question should be arised in your mind. Which package will be used for ANOVA? And the second question, how I arrange data set for one-way ANOVA. I want to perform one-way ANOVA, but I don't have any idea. I don't have any file, any format. I don't have any data set as a format. So R give you its answer, or have lot of files as format data set for a specific analysis. How we find these format? So today class is very important in respect of especially PhD MPhil scholars. So open ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. One more important thing, R have different type of data set. Economic data set, business data set, ecological data set, botany related data set, zoology related data set, biological related data set. So lot of data set is available within R. How we extract this data and view this data so that we will arrange our data set according to format data set. So I write a line here. I want to do one-way ANOVA in R. Is there any built-in data set in R is available? And run it. Yes, R come with several built-in dataset that you can use to perform one-way ANOVA. One popular dataset is MTCAR. If your field of study is related to business, economics, or other fields, this dataset comprises fuel consumption and 10 aspects of automobile design and performance of 32 automobiles. A one-way ANOVA could be performed on this dataset to compare the mean of the numeric variables across different groups defined by a categorical variable. So here is the data set. If you want to check this data set, copy and paste it here. No, it shows that one way ANOVA load the data set empty cars. Click and run. It's showing unexpected symbol. Okay. Now it's working and it load function. So now it's work and have load dataset empty cars. Click on this file and you can see its dataset in screen number 1. No, if you want to perform one-way analysis of variance, you need to arrange your dataset according to this dataset. These are the values. It look like as our ficus dataset. In our ficus dataset, we have species name at the end, but in these files, variables names are at first, or car names are at first column. So if you want to calculate one-way ANOVA, you can use this format. Okay. Now, ChatGPT also gave us the script for one-way ANOVA, run and summary. No, it gave us the ANOVA results for this file. No, if you want to perform two-way ANOVA, this data format is for one-way ANOVA. If you want to do two-way ANOVA, then how to arrange your data set? One-way data set for one-way ANOVA is very easy. But when you want to perform two-way ANOVA, data set may be different because in one-way ANOVA, we only need one factor. Two-way ANOVA, we need two factor. Three-way ANOVA, we need three factor. And if you have more than three factor, you can apply M ANOVA, multiple ANOVA. So I said thanks. Now I want to perform two-way ANOVA. Is there any built-in dataset? Built-in dataset is very important term because built-in dataset mean dataset format dataset available within R. So built-in dataset in R. I want to perform two-way ANOVA. Is there any built-in dataset in R for two-way ANOVA? And run. Yes, R also include dataset suitable for two-way ANOVA. A commonly used dataset demonstrating two-way ANOVA is the tooth growth. So dataset name tooth growth. It is also available within R. No, ChatGPT gave us a dataset named tooth growth and a formula or script for two-way ANOVA and its summary. So copy the script, open. Please, you just need to watch and listen. Don't practice with me. I will give you time and then you perform this task. No, you need to just watch and listen. Run data tooth growth and click on this tooth growth and check this data set. No, it shows that lens and SUP and dose. So These are the two factors: effect of SUP on lens and effect of dose on lens. You can check the effect of SUP on lens and effect of dose on lens. So if you want to perform two-way ANOVA, you need two factor. Here is SU as sub and dose are the two factors. So if you open its detail, it shows that this dataset explores the effect of vitamin C on the tooth growth in Gonia Bigs, and it includes 60 observations on 3 variables. The length of the odontoblast cell responsible for tooth growth in micrometer, SUPP supplement type, VC for vitamin C, and OG for orange juice, and which is first factor. Dose is the milligram days, which is the second factor. So these are the two factors, and the effect of supplement and dose on lens can be checked by using two-way ANOVA by following this file. So if you want to perform two-way analysis of variance on one variable, you can arrange this type of data set. But if you have multiple variable, no issue, increase the number of variables, but you need two factor. Okay. Now, if you want to perform, no, thanks. No, I want to perform heat map in R. Is there any built-in dataset in R? And run. Yes, R has several built-in dataset that you can use to create a heat map, which are great for visualizing data metrics. So in this answer, we find two dataset, that is empty car and US arrest dataset. So you can use US arrest dataset. You can also use similar data as in the case of ficus dataset. So here is a US dataset, copy and run it and check arrangement of US dataset. Data, click on. So here is a US REST dataset. It look like as our ficus dataset. The first file is the name of cities, while others are the traits or other parameters. So if you want to perform heat map, you can also use ficus file as a format, or you can use a US REST file as a format. So if you are okay, now we'll need to normalize and heat map. It shows that figure margins are too large, so we need to adjust margin. But we are doing just practice. You need to adjust the size of these variable names. So this show that heat map. No, if you want to create car diagram, right here, I want to perform car diagram in R. Is there any built-in dataset available in R and search? For creating a car diagram in R, while there is not a specific built-in dataset designed exclusively for car diagram, many of the other existing dataset can be adopted for this purpose. So you can use hair color dataset, This is the hair color data set. For this, we need a package circleize. So check hair color data set and arrange your data set according to hair color data set. If you want to create car diagram. So I need to library this package, copy, paste library because I already have this package. I need library just. So check hair color data set. Click on this. No, this is the hair color data set. So run this and car diagram. It shows the car diagram for hair color data set. You can also draw car diagram on a similar data set as in ficus file or as in empty car data set. No. If you want to do network analysis, I want to do network analysis. Is there any built-in dataset in R and search? It shows that iris dataset is an empty car dataset is good for network analysis. So for this, we need a package igraph. Install and load igraph. I think I already have. This is our dataset name. Karath dataset. So copy. If you want to do network analysis, you need to arrange your dataset according to this dataset. We try to library its work. No. Karath. It shows that Karath dataset not found. It means I need a specific package or it may be not found in latest version. So I copy this message, copy this message and paste it within R. And send message. The warning message you are encoding indicating that the Karat dataset is not directly accessible using the data Karat command in R, which is my oversight in the context of the iGraph package. The Zechers Karat club dataset is often used as an example for. So as I have explained, because Karat is a not basic dataset, it is found in within iGraph package. Without this package, you can't see this dataset. So this dataset name is Zachary. So open and sorry, copy this code and paste it here. Library. Create the graph for Zachary's Croth Club. Plot. So it shows the network analysis. Now, if you want to check its data set, Zachers, we need to I said I want to view Zachary dataset. To view the data under Zachary Cross Club network in a more detailed manner using the iGraph package. So library. It's showing me other things. No. Okay. If you want to do next structural equational modeling, for example, if you want to do structure equational model, I want to do or create structural equational model in R. Is there any built-in dataset found in R? And search. For SEM, Levan package is used for structural equational model, and dataset is used by Helsinger and Stephens 1939. So wait for its complete script. Here is the data. Helsinger Swinfold 1939. So copy this code. We need a package name Levan. I think I have this package. Yes, it's working. No. Copy this code, paste it here, and run this code. No, here is the Helsinger dataset. Okay. Now, if you want to perform structural equivalent models, you can arrange your dataset like this. Now, we need to run script model. Models name depend on your need or specific requirement. Fit model. Copy, paste, and run. Fit model, run. Fit summary, and run. Sorry, there is a stop. There is a summary. So if you want to draw its plot, you can also do this, draw its plot. We need another package, that is SEM plot for structural equational models. I check I have this. Otherwise, I need to install it. Copy. There is no package called SEMplot, so I need to install this package. So I need to run previous code if require namespace. Now my package is successfully installed. Check library. Now I am checking library. Run. Okay, it's working. No. Copy. Paste. Run. Again copy. Paste. And run. I think packages are in process, so we should wait for it. There is some technical error. I copy this code and paste it here. Copy, again paste, and again run. Yes. Now you can see a structural equation model for a given data set. So you can say it is a very easy and just you need to focus on your target and specific requirement. If you provide a specific requirement, it will give you the your desired results. I hope now you will be able to understand how you get your format dataset. No, you need to do practice. Sorry, I want to show a few step more, especially for those participants who belong to biological studies. Especially belong to biological studies. For example, if you want to perform species diversity analysis, for example, I want to do species diversity analysis in R. Is there any built-in dataset for species diversity analysis? Yes, R have several built-in datasets that could be used for species diversity analysis. And one well-known example is iris dataset. For a more ecological biodiversity focus analysis, so wagon package is specific for diversity analysis. We need to explore wagon package. So I stop it and need more information about wagon package. I want to do species diversity analysis by using wagon package in R. Is there any built-in dataset in R for this and run? Yes, wagon package, which is designed for community ecological analysis, including several dataset that can be used to species diversity analysis. One of these dataset is workspace, which contains species abundance data from various strict nature reserve in Finland. So if you want to see this dataset, just install wagon package and copy, paste library wagon package and load data workspace. So this is the workspace dataset. This is the results of relative abundance of vascular plants. So if you want to do other analysis, you can perform easily. For example, if you want to do dendrogram or other studies, for example, in the case, calculate the Shannon diversity index, calculate the Simpson diversity index, you can find this, copy, paste this, and paste it within R and run. You can find this is the Shannon diversity index. If you want to find Simpson diversity index, run this code and print. No, if you want to draw plot of these Simpson and Shannon diversity index, you can also draw plot. I want to do plots of plots. No, but I want to create plots. This is the plot for Shannon diversity index. Copy and paste it within and run. No, it gave us the Shannon diversity index plot. Copy this plot and share it within group. No, if you want to draw other analysis, for example, here is the convert diversity index to other analysis. But if you want to perform, I want to do PCA by plot in R and run. Now I want to use I want to show him to use I want to use this dataset. I want to use this dataset performing a principal component analysis and creating a biplot using workspace dataset from the wagon package is a great way to visualize how species compositions varies across different plots and to identify a species that contribute most the variance. So here's how you can do. So you need to package wagon. Second step, load dataset. Third step, perform PCA. We have done first step, wagon package. Third, also have load data set. Create a biplot. And no, and just we already have performed this step. We need just perform PCA, copy, and paste it here and run this code. It's working. No PCA results. We need to draw plot, copy, plot. Here is the PCA by plot for a given data set. Now, if you want to do power diagram or any, for example, I want to do a heat map. Thanks. No, I want to perform heat map with dendrogram in R by using this dataset. No. Here we need another package, that is qplot. Create a heat map with dendrogram heat map.2. Here heat map.2 function will be used for heat map. All these formatting are given here. You can change, copy, paste, and run. It shows that could not find the function heat map.2. So we need a package heat map2, copy and paste it here. So it will give us the package name or suggest us which package have the function heat map.2. So we need a package gplots, not a qplot. So library, I think I already have this package. Copy, paste, and library. And no, heat map with dendrogram. You can see heat map is created with dendrogram like this. Okay. If you want to perform diversity analysis, as I already shared a list of analysis in WhatsApp group, please check. And today your task is please perform this type of analysis from community species diversity, from community structure analysis, including diversity indices. So today you need to find diversity indices, alpha diversity, beta diversity, gamma diversity, species abundance distribution, species area curve, cluster analysis, principal component analysis, correspondent analysis, and conical correspondent analysis, and species indicator analysis. So perform all these analysis on by using wagon package. So I shared these analysis again for your task or for your assignment. So I am online now. Please do these all steps and draw their results or plots and share it within groups. If you have any question, you can ask. If you don't have any question, you need to run these type of analysis within uh, 1 day. So you have time to complete these analysis before our next class. So draw these analysis and paste the graph, figures, and tables within WhatsApp group and share. Okay, please do practice and share plots within group. I am waiting for your plots and tables. And if you found any error, you can copy error and paste it within chat. ChatGPT will correct your script and rewrite correct script and send you. I already sent these things within group, so you can check WhatsApp group. Today you need to perform all these tasks by using ChatGPT and built-in dataset. Please check your group. I have shared a list which you need to perform or for practice. And the topic which I used during class, I select this topic randomly. So I have no list for this, but when you watch this video, you can create or make your list. But I think there is no need for creating this list. I just select analysis randomly uh, for practice or showing you the how we get built-in data set for any specific analysis from R. Okay, thanks. All participants. Now I am going to share the link of my class to the next batch. So please, if you have any question, you can ask within group, and please must do practice because this practice is very important, not very easy, but very important. Okay, thanks. Allah Hafiz.